Mae'r as a brand linked to Welsh sailing because we've been running a load of initiatives around supporting female sailors, coaches and volunteers to get on the water. Our sport is quite unique in that our field of play is out on the water. There are no toilets out there, you can't even fill up a water bottle, so that was becoming a little bit of a barrier in terms of how do I even go for a wee or change my sanitary products. And then we've been doing a big push around getting female volunteers on the water, and some of that was to do with childcare. So yeah, we've been looking at some initiatives around breaking down those barriers.
Mae chwaraewyr ni ac aelodau ni gyd yn iaith gyntaf Gymraeg. Felly oedd jyst yn broses naturiol i gychwyn clwb Cymraeg.
O'n i rili eisiau dechrau clwb yn Bala. Cos o'n i passionate pryd o'n i'n iau am y gêm. O'n i'n teimlo fel bod hwnna ffordd da i wneud rhywbeth yn y cymuned yma yn Bala. Y ffaith bod nhw gallu dod i ddod a chwarae a joio y gêm.
The partnership is a national charity. We recognise which groups are maybe not accessing the outdoors, and we try to then overcome the barriers to helping them access the outdoors.
That was so exhilarating. I'm 58 and I'm doing things I've never thought I would do before. We've all had breast cancer, we've all fought through that and survived it. We're all willing to try crazy things like this, to be honest.
It's a reawakening, you know, a recognition that they are alive and that they need to make the most of living every day.
Cardiff Baseline is an exemplar of how you can do inclusive community sport for the LGBT community.
I basically approached Tennis Wales saying to them, I've got an idea for an LGBTQ tennis club in Cardiff. 55 members playing every Saturday now, and we've had so much support from the community.
Fi'n credu bod y barriers falle yn fy menu tyma bach. Mae sens o sports bach yn macho, a ni'n teimlo tyma bach bod ni ddim yn ffito mewn gyda hwnna. So dim ond ers joino Baseline is really, dwi'n teimlo fel fi'n rhan o'r cymuned.
First idea came through boots, but we thought, why not just go through, sports clothing and sports footwear.
We supported nearly 600 individuals by providing near 1,200 items of clothing and footwear. These clothing will help individuals join sports clubs, just take part in the gym sessions, or even just take part in sport.
It was a missing link. It was something that, for us as staff, could get children involved in sport. In PE in school, but also outside of school. We worked closely with them and did a donation day to raise the profile of it, to show parents and to show our families what they could access through community kit rooms.